Welcome to our channel. Today we how to budget with LendingClub, beginner guide step by step clearly. First, visit the LendingClub website. Create an account by providing your email and setting a password. Once registered, log in to your new account. Navigate to the budgeting tools section on the dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the layout and available features. Start by entering your monthly income. Include all sources of income for accuracy. Next, list your fixed expenses, such as rent or mortgage. Add variable expenses like groceries or entertainment. Review upcoming bills and any seasonal costs. Once all expenses are entered, calculate your total monthly expenses. Subtract your total expenses from your total income. This will show your available budget or surplus. If you have a deficit, review your expenses for areas to cut back. Use the goal-setting feature to plan for savings or debt repayment. Set realistic and achievable financial goals. Consider making adjustments to your spending habits based on your findings. Monitor your budget regularly to stay on track. Utilize LendingClub's features to track your spending over time. Make note of any patterns or unexpected expenses. Adjust your budget monthly as necessary to reflect changes in income or expenses. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to effective budgeting with LendingClub. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.